And the IFTA goes to Your Bad Self.
God, this is unexpected and fantastic. Thank you so much to the IFTA folks. We should also thank our champions at RTE, the entertainment department, and Steve Carson. And on behalf of Ben Kelly and myself, we'd like to thank Treasure Entertainment, Rob, Rebecca and Claire. Thanks so much for getting into bed with us, and also for producing the show. And also, I should point out the writing. The cast contributed a huge amount, and you know, the landscape of TV is dominated by reality, as you can tell in this category, so I really feel this is a victory for the writing and the actors, so this is for them. Thank you.